Could we be seeing another price spike for Shiba Inu soon? The token's price has recently found strong support after the opening phase of this bull run. You must watch this video if you own SHIB tokens and are interested in Shiba Inu. Therefore, how does the most recent Shiba Inu news impact the value? Shiba Inu? Watch today's video and I'll tell you everything you need to know about Shiba Inu, including how much they cost in response to these questions and more. This movie is the result of extensive research on my part. Thus, if you want to know everything, you have to see it all the way to the conclusion. Bytunix is a platform that you can join through the link in the description if you wish to trade Shiba Inu or any other cryptocurrency, including with leverage. Now is the time to take advantage of my unique deposit bonus offer. Be sure to give the exchange a look since it's open to everyone. First, let's examine the chart to see how the price of Shiba Inu has been moving as of May 15th before we get into the main point. There are now roughly 2,339 Shiba Inu units available. The price of SHIB has dropped by percent in the past 24 hours, with $898 million worth of trading volume in that time. At the moment, the token is the 12th most valuable cryptocurrency, with a market worth of more than $13.7 billion. The timing of your viewing of this video may have altered these pricing, where we will soon be doing some huge prizes. This content is not meant to provide financial advice. All you have to do is follow me right now to enter to win thousands of dollars. As the price of SHIB has increased by 2,300%, let's jump into today's video discussing the crucial Shiba Inu statistic. With its recent spike in the SHIB indicator, Shiba Inu has emerged as the second most valuable meme coin in terms of market valuation. The Shiba Inu was in the news today because of a dramatic increase in a key environmental metric, standing in stark contrast to the prior day's gain of 2,300%. Although the growth was not as spectacular, the number of daily active addresses and the volume of transactions have both gone up. The price of SHIB has been rising in tandem with these metrics. With a 7% gain in the last day, the asset is one of the market's top performers. Floyd, Pepe, Popcat, and Trump are among its meme coin competitors who have seen even greater growth. There can be a number of causes for the recent uptick in SHIB prices. Rising burn rates and improvements to Shiba Inu, a layer-to-scaling approach, are two of them. In the last 24 hours alone, the burn rate increased by over 100%, causing an extra 30 million tokens to be transferred to a null address. This brings the total number of tokens burned by the Shiba Inu team over the past 7 days to over 200 million is to cut down on the amount of SHIB floating around, which could make it more valuable as it becomes scarcer. MetaMask, Coinbase Wallet, and Trust Wallet are just a few of the prominent wallets that are now compatible with Shibarium, thanks to two significant enhancements that have improved the user experience. Furthermore, there has been a recent uptick in the adoption of Shiba Inu. The Lithuanian blockchain payment processor Coingate has reportedly adopted SHIB as a payment method, according to CryptoPotato. Coingate connects the worlds of cryptocurrency and conventional banking through partnerships with numerous prominent brands like Uber, Airbnb, Spotify, Nike, Walmart, and many more. It would mean a lot if you could hit that like button if you're still tuning in. It is completely free and greatly contributes to the channel's support. Stay tuned for all the latest Shiba Inu news and to find out what the future has in store for SHIB. Bollinger Bands suggest that Shiba Inu might be on the mend. Shiba Inu prices are moving in an upward trend according to Bollinger Bands. Establishing support at the 2,300 units price mark is not SHIB's first attempt, as evidenced by this latest surge. There have been times when the Shiba Inu's potential for success has been muted by larger market pressures. Bollinger Bands, a technical indicator, does, however, point to the possibility of a reboot. According to TradingView's SHIB-USDT one-day chart, the Shiba Inu price has been trading near the lower Bollinger Bands and has been trading from the oversold area since at least May 7th. The likelihood of a trend reversal is strong according to this. The gentle pause as the market moves towards a neutral midpoint. If Bollinger Bands are any indication, there may be some short-term potential. This has not dampened the dedication of the Shiba Inu people to their ultimate objectives. The recent huge transactions point to the possibility of a major long-term breakout. Supported by the community and showing positive technical signs, the token seems to have a bright future. More information and analysis regarding the possible future of SHIB will be released soon. Furthermore, Shiba Inu bulls have a good chance of reclaiming market dominance, according to the News Neutral Relative Strength Index, or RSI. In October 2021, the Shiba Inu catapulted to an all-time high of 8,845 units, propelled solely by hype. The digital currency has come a long Away from its days as a meme coin with little practical utility to its current state as a protocol with many potential applications. With the general market uptrend and the potential of Shibarium, its smart contracts platform, Shi's technical signs can be complemented. Attempts to retest the all-time high and possibly chart a new price milestone, falling wedge formation may be in the cards for Shiba Inu in the near future. Moving on to the meat of the video for the day. With the help of a falling wedge, Shiba Inu hopes to increase their unit count to 3,400. According to Dami DeFi, a market analyst and crypto commentator, the current negative consolidation in the Shiba Inu price could be preparing the market for a key push, which he recently brought attention to. The sinking wedge shape of the Shiba Inu price chart is evocative of its 380% growth from February 25th to March 5th, when the breed reached its all-time high of 4,567 units. Shiba Inu gave up this high, causing a pullback of about 50% from the peak on March 5th due to wider market volatility and a loss of momentum. This adjustment may be beneficial for Shiba Inu, according to Dami's chart. Among the decline, the Shiba Inu has interestingly created a falling wedge. Two downward sloping trend lines that are converging form a falling wedge, which may signal an upside price breakout. The daily chart shows an interesting pattern with the Shiba Inu's exchange reserve seeing a decline. The continued rise in exchange outflows after May 5th suggests that the selling pressure may be easing. Exchanges have seen a loss of $8.88 million worth of SHIB since May 5th, despite daily inflows for the previous 2 days. In addition, according to CryptoQuant's on-chain statistics, the blue line represents the Shiba Inu reserve on exchanges, which has decreased dramatically since February 29th. There are currently 151.3030383 SHIB in the exchange reserve. Despite the general pessimism, market participants are preparing to move their SHIB tokens to self-custodial alternatives, potentially for long-term storage, as seen by the significant decline in exchange reserves. Aids in supporting price movement. Once the Shiba Inu price breaks out of the falling wedge formation, Dami anticipates it to achieve a large price rise. The analyst claims that a 50% increase, or 3,456 units of SHIB, is the short-term objective. But there are conflicting signals in the data on HIB derivatives. Open interest rises a pitiful 1.2% to $66.9 million, but volume falls 26% to $228 million. SHIB is aiming to protect itself from further significant drops by breaking the 2,350 unit threshold as soon as possible, because they have faith in the Shiba Inu developer and the practical worth of SHIB. Several of our subscribers have stated that they intend to hold millions of SHIB tokens for the next 5 years and do not intend to sell them. The blue line represents the Shiba Inu reserve on exchanges since February 29th. It has declined considerably according to on-chain data obtained by CryptoQuant. There are currently 151.30383 SHIB in the exchange reserve. Despite the general pessimism, market participants are preparing to move their SHIB tokens to self-custodial alternatives, potentially for long-term storage, as seen by the significant decline in exchange reserves. Lowering the selling pressure is a strategy that has been shown to support price action. Experience a significant increase in value once it exits the falling wedge pattern. The analyst claims that a 50% increase, or 3,456 units of SHIB, is the short-term objective. But there are conflicting signals in the data on HIB derivatives. Open interest rises a pitiful 1.2% to $66.9 million, but volume falls 26% to $228 million. SHIB is aiming to protect itself from further significant drops by breaking the 2,350 unit threshold as soon as possible. A large number of our subscribers have expressed their belief in the Shiba cryptocurrency and stated their intention to hold millions of SHIB tokens for the next 5 years.